Here is a couple of the trolleys that we use to transport and move around the canisters of glue that we use. So this is through TensorGrip, Tensor Global, and this is their latest trolley that they've got, which basically allows you to fit the box and the glue canister all in one. So for us, we got inside this box a 22 litre canister of T65. That's what we use for car roof linings, but you can get like larger quantities of this glue, I believe, or some of their other products, and this trolley will allow you to fit that in. We got the hose and the gun attached to the side there. That's easy to just tidy up and fold up when you're done. On that gun there, we've also got the wand set up that extends the reach. We've got a little rack there. I guess you can just put some equipment. This is the old trolley that they used to have, and one's basically, with this one, you have to take off the box around the side, the glue, to actually fit the canister into the little trolley. And this one actually, I prefer much more ideal because it's lighter and easy to move around. It's not as bulky. So for me, I do prefer the older version, but they both do work quite well. And you can see this gun's been really hammered because we've been using this product for at least 10 years now. So both of these canister trolleys are great, really ideal just to move the product around to where you need it to be, or just keep it in a location where it's going to reach the bench. And it's great to just fold up the hose and have somewhere to store the gun. So if you're looking for this setup for your glue canister, you can jump on their website, the Tensor Global website, or TensorGrip, and you'll be able to find some local suppliers hopefully in your area. Thanks for watching, guys.